Here we go.
Yeah.
Stop. What's up with that right there?
What's up, Raids?
Hey, here we are.
Ready for the Everglades?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 541 Productions. Today we're back on the Aventon Adventures. Got the crew, we got the whole squad. Today we're in Florida. We're at the Florida Everglades at Shark Valley, I think it's called. Let's see if we can run into some alligators. My bike got wet, and now it's not working right. I pedal and it doesn't assist me sometimes, so might have fried the battery. So, hell yeah. It's probably gonna rain too, some thunderstorms. So that, it's not good. What's up, fella?
Hi, buddy.
I'm scaring him. Found a swamp puppy. It's right there.
We're riding right into this storm.
Raids is scared of alligators.
No, I'm
Yeah. Should we push through? I'm worried about the lightning. I'm not too worried about the rain. But we got 8 miles to go. Or should we go back and get under a shed for a little bit? What was that unit right there?
What was that? Meow. Well, some lightning, so I don't really think you want to be out stuck in this on an electric bike when there's lightning. So we'll head back, hide under a pavilion or whatever, and hopefully let it pass, and then come back out. Yeah. Alright guys, we're back. I think we're just gonna decide to power through. Look at the radar. Storm I think is supposed to miss us, if not light rain it says, so we're going to power through. If we get rained on, so be it.
Hi,
Found another one. He's looking right at us too. It's kind of sketchy.
Hi.
Got my thumb on the throttle. Come here. He's ready. He's fucking ready.
Dude, he is pissed.
Oh God! Oh God!
That was cool.
God damn, that was scary.
Holy shit, look at him. He's going away. You're missing it.
That was cool. That was scary. There's a fishy.
This is like magic.
Mike, I'm gonna let you explore from there on. Looks like you're at a junction. I forgot we can go underwater here.
Yeah, let's get a picture.
Take a picture.
Michelle, ready, guys?
How's that look under there, boys? Well, that was the tower. This is the second half of the trail.
These guys keep looking at sticks and thinking they're like animals.
See it moving?
It's moving.
A stick?
Weird. Yeah.
It's just because the current. I think it's just in the water there.
Yeah, but
It's a weed. I can see the underneath from here.
Yeah.
Theory behind all
you
this
don't
time
see
here.
stuff that's not there.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a stick.
Look, it's an Everglades stick.
Stick that only survives in the Everglades.
Stickler. As soon as I put in, they get scared. These little tunnels for the water to go under the trail. All the fish love to hang out in them. Ain't gonna hurt you.
It's so close.
Touch him. Let him see what that is.
Why you want him? No, he's trying to get him to bite it.